Hi.
Hey everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hi, I'm
Hi everyone.
Hey everyone.
My name is Hannah Abraham.
My name is Joel Thomas.
My name is Ryan Newman.
My name is Sean.
My name is Jonah Thomas.
Keziah Joseph. And I'm from St. Basil Orthodox Church in Franklin Square, New York. And personally, I feel like the youth ministry has definitely left an impact on my life. I've definitely grown fond of the different conferences and camps and events that I've attended, not only because of the friendships that I've made, but also because I feel like I've come to appreciate the spiritual nurturing that I felt at these different gatherings. And also, I feel like the lessons that I learned there, I still carry with me today.
Please support Youth Ministry Day by making your contribution to your parish, offering a check to the Northeast American Diocese, or by visiting this link. Donate today.